Hello everyone, back at it again with a new episode for our podcast. So for today's host, we have Ahmad here and Dafa. And for today's topic for the podcast, we are going to be talking about e-money as a lifestyle. And for that topic, we invited two special guests here who are social media influencers that is very well known. You may introduce yourselves.
Alright, thank you Ahmad. Introduce myself, my name is Novan Nurzohil Miardana as a financial media influencer. And also my partner is
And introduce myself. My name is Sejam Pasirusmiadi, and I'm also as finance influencer.
So for the first questions, it will be handled by Dafa over here.
Okay, for the first question, what type of e-money usually to use?
e-money. I'm usually using OVO because there is my first e-money to use, and that is OVO have a historic transaction, and that we can check it what we can spend today and yesterday.
Okay.
And for me, I usually using Shopee Pay when I shop online, and I also using Dana when I want to buy small transaction because in my area I have accept it.
Yeah, so for the next question is that in your environment, who often uses e-money?
I'm usually see that is the student and like young people use e-money, and that is because I think they are now for in the social media, so that is the young people more often to use e-money.
And in my parents' environment, they are starting to use it. But in first impression, they confused to use it. But now they realize it's more comfortable and more safer.
Okay, in your opinion, why is e-money becoming so popular in modern society?
Um, e-money is become popular because I think that is more very practice, like there is flexible and also safe.
To use?
And also many apps give promotion and discounts, so people feels it's cheaper to pay with e-money.
Okay.
Yeah, so for the next question here is that do you think e-money makes a big impact on the economy compared to using cash? What do you think?
Mm, like I think that is will make an impact. There is more transaction now right now is using e-money. Like the market is changing to using e-money than using cash.
Yes, I agree with Novan's statement. It also helps business grow because payments are more efficient and transparent.
Okay, next question. Why do people avoid using cash?
Oh, I think people is avoiding using cash because there is a higher chance if you bring a cash go outside, its chance will be stolen, and that is why people changing to e-money because it's safe to use because you just need to using your handphone or your phone.
And cash can be dirty, using money feels more hygienic and more modern.
So with that, do you think the increase in e-money usage affects small businesses that cannot provide e-money services?
Hmm, I think yes because all of the customers today have a changing to using e-money than using cash, and if there is no one bring a cash but the market also have only have a cash transaction, there is must be a chance the customer will won't buy from that market or shop.
Yes, maybe a little customer sometimes prefer to shop where they can use e-money.
Do you using e-money for involving to transactions?
Involving transaction, yep. I almost using e-money every day, and every time even. I'm usually to use transportation, shopping, and also buying a food daily food.
Same here. I feel my wallet is very used now, except for my very small transaction.
Right. So after that question is that what is your main reason for mainly choosing e-money over cash?
The main reason because it's more flexible and it's more safe. And you just only need to bring a handphone to using your e-money.
Yes, I agree to Novan's statement. And for me, it's about security. I don't need to bring too much cash on site.
Do you think e-money is just a transaction tool or a part of lifestyle?
It has become to my lifestyle today because if I can go outside without my e-money, even right now I didn't bring my cash.
Same, it's not only a tools, but it also shows how modern society lives today.
Right. So looking about 5, maybe to 10 years ahead, what are your expectations for the development of e-money in Indonesia?
Oh, I see. That's a good question. I hope in Indonesia there is the e-money needs to all of the people and around in Indonesia have to using e-money, and also the government need to supporting the people even in the small village to make and giving education.
Yes, it's a good innovation. Maybe one day we won't need a physical wallets at all.
Right. So that's enough questions for today. Anything you want to say to end our episode here?
Oh, I think that is what might say that is you need to bring your money and you can to change your lifestyle to era modern because if you won't change it, you will leave it back.
So thank you very much. So that's all for our episode for today. We hope you can catch up next about us in the next episode, maybe, I don't know. And
Yes.
yeah, thank you very much everyone for watching, and see you next time.
Yeah.